In this video, I am going to discuss this question asked by one of the Tableau user. So this question is about to show the percentage difference between two custom date ranges. For example, we have the set 1 of start date and end date and another set start date 2 and end date 2. So we need to compare these two values and then show the percentage difference. So we can easily achieve this using the parameters. So we need to create four parameters for each date. Right click and start creating parameter. Start date 1, choose data type as date and choose the range of values from the order date field. Click OK and create another parameter for end date 1. Choose date type as choose data type date and select the range of values set from field order date. Click OK. So create parameter for start date 2, choose data type as date, range of values from order date. Click OK. One more parameter end date 2, choose data type as date and range of values from order date. Click OK. So now that we have created all the parameters, we will write the calculated fields. Right click and create a calculated field. Set one values. So this is for the start date 1 and end date 1. If order date less than or equal to start date 1 and order date greater than or equal to start date and order date less than or equal to end date 1, then sales end. Right click and duplicate the same calculation. We'll modify the calculation for the set 2 values, start date 2 and end date 2. So to see the parameter control, right click and select show parameter control. So for set 1 of parameters, I'll select the data for 2017 beginning and 2017 ending. Similarly for set 2, I will choose beginning of 2018 and ending of 2018. For example, I will take the category dimension. Let me drag set 1 values and set 2 values. So now we need to find the percentage difference. So I'll write separate calculation to find the percentage difference. Percentage difference. So set 2 values minus set 1 values. So we need to aggregate it. Sum of set 1 values minus sum of set 2 values. So set 1 values divided by sum of set 1 values. drag this calculation to the measure values. So to change the format, right click, choose format, and then choose percentage. So we can select the decimal places as desired. So I'm going to keep one. So if you see the values here, so set one value is for the start date 1 and between start date 1 and end date 1, and set 2 value is coming for set date 2 and end date 2. So if you see the values 166,265 and 165,856, so there is a difference of minus 0.2% difference. So similarly, 19.4% increase in office supplies and a 32.9% increase in technology. So let me change the start date and see whether this change reflects here or not. So let me choose the date, some different date. So the values are changing based on the parameter selection. I am changing the end date one. So the set 2 value should not change, only set 1 value should change. Yeah, only set 1 values are changing and the set 2 values are the same because we are not touching this start date 2 and end date 2. Similarly, if I change the set date 2 values, so make sure you are not selecting the start date greater than end date. As per our condition given in the calculated field, it will return null values. Now choose different values for start date 2 and end date 2. Now only the set 2 values are changing.